Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope you're all doing great. Today we're making the letter J. So without further ado, we'll get started. I'm using cotton yarn, mercerized cotton yarn and 2.5mm hook. I'm gonna start with a magic loop and chain 7. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in every chain. From row 2 to 5, so row 2, 3, 4 and 5, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in every stitch. For row 6, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and I will turn. Row 7, I will chain 1, single crochet in every stitch, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. For row 8, I'm going to repeat row 6, and for row 9, I'm going to repeat row 7. Then I'm going to fasten off. Now I'm joining the yarn on the other side or the opposite side, and then I'll chain 1 and single crochet in the first stitch as chain 1. Then single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and I will turn. For row 7 to 18, I'm gonna chain 1, single crochet in every stitch. Then for row 19, 20 and 21 means for the next 3 rows, sorry. For the next 3 rows, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet throughout, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So the 2 single crochet from the beginning and at the end is to increase, to make the shape of the G at the end. So 2 single crochet in the beginning and 2 single crochet at the end for 3 rows, and then you fasten off. So this is how it looks like at the end. I hope you like the outcome of this pattern. Don't forget to check the written pattern in the description box. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.